What do fireworks and automotive repair have in common? Well, we ran out of ideas for tools, so we're going to try something different today, see if we can find an exhaust leak on a Bronco Sport. So I've got a shop vac that we're going to suck the smoke in the intake and pressurize the exhaust system. We've tried a smoke machine already, but it was not producing enough pressure. We've tried using testers and other equipment. We're going to blow a whole bunch of smoke into this thing and see if we can figure out where it's leaking. You want to hold the smoke bomb? I see it. So it looks like it's right there at the turbo flange. We got a little bit of smoke that came out, but it was just a quick little puff and then the smoke disappeared. So now we've got the soapy water and we're gonna pressurize the exhaust system again and see what we can find. Looks like it's right here on the exhaust pipe turbo flange. So it looks like we found the problem. We'll get that swapped out. So the soapy water works pretty good, just like checking for a leak on a tire. What we found was the gasket where the exhaust pipe, the catalytic converter, connects to the backside of the turbo. Had a pretty good leak all the way around it, so we'll get that swapped out. What was going on is the customer would drive when they'd come to a stop. If the air conditioner was not on recirculate, that exhaust smell would come right up the firewall, and on the passenger side where the intake is, it would suck that exhaust smell in the intake. It wasn't severe enough that you could see black carbon or anything obvious from the naked eye, so the soapy water helped us out and we got it figured.